This is lot 1A. It is a Subzero refrigerator and freezer ensemble. They are separate units. They both measure 36 by 73 high. Refrigerator model number 601R, freezer model number 601F. They are panel ready. Freezer has an ice maker, and I was told there were new compressors installed recently. They are both 2001, and we are selling them as a set. Okay, I just came in here about a half an hour ago and turned them on. As you can see, it's reading 35. They're clean. Nice and clean. Does have one little rust area there. They are 2001. They are running nice and cold. There goes the alarm saying I'm holding the door open too long. And here's the freezer. Has great suction. 601F. This is at 19. Like I said, I just came in here about a half an hour ago. Super clean. Does have an ice maker. Got these trays right here. This is the ice bin. Now they do have panels on them. We don't know if we're going to give you the panels or not. That will be determined sooner at a later date. But you can always get your own panels, which I think you're going to do. Lot 1A.